Hi, my name is Mateo Martinez. I'm a data scientist with Locks Digital Group. Today, we're going to be looking at the word count optimization model that provides predictive analytics and recommendations as part of the Marlowe AI package created at Locks Digital. Let's begin. So here we have this Jupyter notebook run in Google Colaboratory. If you have access to this repo, you can run this on your own interface with these instructions here. You should be able to find and record the exact same results as we have in this presentation. So the data we're using and used to train this model is from the University of California Irvine Machine Learning Repository. It's initially a data set containing emails and a demarcation if the email was classified as spam or not spam. From there, we generated a slew of synthetic variables and features that are typical to email marketing campaigns that would be accessible by an email service provider, and additional features that we here at Locks Digital Group would be able to extract from the historical data that an email service provider would have access to. The model we used was a random forest classifier. In production, we might consider as well using gradient boosted models or neural networks, depending on the interests and choices of the client. We have some metadata here that's easier to view looking at the data set below. To begin, we will load some Python packages to run our machine learning algorithm. Taking a look at the first three rows of our data set, the text refers to the text body of the email campaign, the text length or word count of that email campaign, the title word count. Here are some typical features that would be tracked by an email service provider: deliverability rate, open rate, click-throughs, abandoned cart campaigns, unsubscribed campaigns. And then these are features that we would be parsing as part of our Locks Digital Group algorithm. Number of pictures, links, videos, video length, the length of the body of the email binned into these groupings. Same with title. We would analyze the contents to determine the campaign type, the industry type, some anonymized data from the customer it was sent to, anonymized data about the marketer who ran the campaign. And then here we'll begin the interface that the marketer would use as part of this product workflow. The marketer would upload the digital marketing campaign they're working on. Here we have a sample email. We can take a look at this sample email here. Just some content for our model to parse: an image of a car, some text, some more text that the model is going to parse. These are images and links in the email, some more text, call to action button here, some more text and links, another call to action button. So this is all going to be parsed and scraped by our algorithm. And here, these are some options for a digital marketer to use, optimizing on a number of different target variables, be it deliverability rate, unsubscribe rates, open rates, etc. What type of campaign they're in, to optimize just with emails of the same type. They want to optimize an engagement campaign. They want to optimize within their selected industry, be it real estate. And now we'll run our model. We've parsed this email, finding 129 words. Here's the contents of that email. And then with its current length, it has a 18% deliverability rate, a longer message of 20 to 40 words would have a 53% open rate, clearly increasing this optimization. So a marketer at this point would go back, in this case, shorten it from 129 to between 20 and 40 for a much higher deliverability rate. We can just check another example, looking if we're optimizing for open rates in a product announcement campaign in the hospitality industry. Our current length would have a 54% open rate. With the shortest length, it would have a 71% open rate. So the marketer would be, in this case, recommended to shorten it to below 10 words. Albeit this in production would be trained to the historical data of an email service provider. So the results would be customized and tuned to your specific historical data. This is just a sample test set we're working with currently. This model also can generate VIP lists. So if you want to send out some sort of special offer or product announcements to one's best customers, they could select the number they would want to send it to, say 20. And then we can generate a VIP list with the model we trained above for the top 20 customers with the highest conversion probability. And this would be converting at these open rates. And this is their emails, their conversion probability, and the type of campaigns this was trained to optimize for. And so that concludes our first video in our 4-part series. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at our next presentation.